Hello everybody! Today we are going to be working on our textbook, so please gather around and look for page 234 and page 235. Alright, so let's begin reviewing what it's a verb to be and the present progressive tense of verbs. Okay, so the first thing is that the verb to be takes different forms depending on the person to whom it refers. Okay, so I'm sorry. So for example, the verb to be, as we have studied it so far, is am, is, and are for the simple present tense. We have other variations, but we are not going to study them yet. Okay, so that's the first thing. Now, for example, we have I am a fox. We know that I is the only pronoun that goes with am. For is, we have studied that it's he, she, or it, and are goes with you, they, and we. Okay, so am, it's only going to be used with I. Okay, now, when do we use this? Is. We use is when we have only one thing or person except yourself, right? Because when it's yourself, you need to use I. So, for example, mole is a nocturnal animal. We use is because mole is a single. Okay, singular, it's only one. Now, but we are going to use are with more than one thing or person, or with the person or persons to whom you are talking. So over here we have plurals, okay? So examples, we have we is a plural, are explorers. You, we know that you can be singular as in means of two, but you is also can be a plural pronoun, ustedes. You are a good friend, or you are good friends. Now they also needs to have are as a verb to be in simple present tense. Now, the present progressive tense shows an action that is happening now, right? So the present progressive has to do with now, which is present, but it continues happening. Okay, and to form the present progressive tense, we need to use am, is, or are plus the verb that ends in ing. For example, I am climbing. Alright, I cannot say I climbing. That's not correct. You could either say I climb or I am climbing to the moon. Mole is worrying. Okay, it's not correct to say mole worrying. Okay, no, that's not correct. Mole is worrying. I need that linking verb. Okay, you are holding the rope tightly. You are holding, not you holding. Okay, we need the whole thing in order to make sense. All right, so what are we going to do on the first exercise? Well, the first thing is that you need to circle the correct form of the verb to be. So you have three options. You have am, is, or are. So according to what we have studied so far, we are going to circle the one that is correct. Let's go together to exercise on letter A. It says you blank nocturnal. You are. You are. With you, we always are going to use are, even though you in Spanish can have a singular or plural meaning. It also doesn't in English, okay? Letter B, I blank and owl. I am. Am is the only one that goes with I, okay? The moon. The moon is beautiful. The moon. Why do we choose is? Because the moon, it's a noun that can be replaced by it. Alright, so it is beautiful. Alright. The animals, plural, the animals are climbing a rope. I know that for animals we sometimes use it, but only if it's singular. When it's in plural, we need to use are. Letter E. The condor. The condor is only one, it's singular. The condor is. I won't use am because you know that am is only used for I. The condor is good at flying. Letter F. We. For we are always going to use are. We are sad. Good. Letter G. The rope. The rope is a single object, so we are going to use is. The rope is very long. Letter H. They, for they we are always going to use the plural one, are smart animals. Good. Letter I. Fox and mole. It's referring to two persons or two characters, okay? Fox and mole can be replaced by they, okay? You are not only going to see mole, okay? Because you have to think about the whole subject. The whole subject is fox and mole, which can be replaced by they, and therefore we are going to choose are. Fox and mole are the best friends. Okay? Good. On exercise number 2, we have to circle the two words in each sentence that express an action that is in the present progressive tense, okay? So the two words mean the linking verb and the present progressive tense, okay? So let's read each sentence and we're going to circle the two words at the same time, okay? I am digging a tunnel. The two words that we are going to be circling is am and digging, okay? Am digging. So we basically circled the verb to be and the verb that ends in an ing. Letter B. They are dreaming of the moon. Which are the two words that we're going to circle? Are dreaming. Good. Letter C. The clouds are covering the moon. Are covering. Letter D. He is flying high in the sky. Is flying. Letter E. We are planning our visit to the moon. Are planning. You are hiding in a tree. Are hiding. Let me circle it better. Good. Alright, so on to the next part, the last one. We need to complete the following sentences using the present progressive form of the verb. Alright, so the first thing is that we're going to pay more attention to the first part, okay? Because first of all, we need to use the verb to be. Alright, we need to use the verb to be, either am, is, or are. We have to think about which one we are going to use, am, is, or are. Plus, we need to think about the ing verb that it's going after the verb to be. Alright, so let's begin. Fox and mole climb. Well, first of all, we need to think about fox and mole. Fox and mole is a plural, so we are going to choose are. Fox and mole are climbing. Climbing. Very good. There you go. Are climbing. Everything has to go together, okay? Letter B. Fox braid. Fox is a singular, so we are going to use is. Fox is braiding. Braiding se refiere a una acción de cuando estamos haciendo una trenza y le estaba haciendo eso a la soga, ¿verdad? Para hacerla más fuerte, que no se rompiera tan fácil. Alright, mole. Mole again is a singular. For singular we use is. Mole is eating. Mole is eating. Good. I. You know that for I we are only going to use a single one. There's no other option. I am sleeping. I am sleeping. Very good. You. You, we have to use the plural form. You are flying. Good. Letter F. We. We are asking. There you go. For these exercises, we are only using the first rule. When you go to 4th grade, you will learn a few more other grammar rules to change verbs into the ing tense, okay, which is present progressive. Now, this is the work for today. I hope this video helped you understand better, and I also hope you have a great weekend, okay? See you guys.